Universal Instruments Corporation, located in Binghamton, New York, manufactures high-quality automatic printed circuit assembly equipment for the electronics industry. Here at Universal's Bevier Street plant, work is being done to ensure Universal's continued position as the world leader in this industry. It takes behind-the-scenes efforts of many people and departments to get newly assembled machines to meet or exceed design specifications. This presentation will introduce you to the Machine Division's Production Test Engineering Department. Universal's products are made up of many sub-assemblies. Production Test Engineering creates test equipment to ensure that these sub-assemblies function properly before installation into the machine. When a test is requested, the project engineer assembles a team whose skills cover the spectrum of specialties required: electrical, mechanical, software, mathematical, and documentation. The team explores ideas, identifies potential problem areas, and decides what parameters need to be tested using Pareto charts and other statistical tools. This determines the scope and the complexity of the tester. After the project team determines the best way to test the product, the actual design begins. Statistics, CAD systems, specialized software packages, engineering specifications, and other resources are used by the design team to aid in the design process. The complexity of the product being tested, along with the end user's environment and needs, are considered to determine the degree of automation required by the tester. Test equipment is built here in the Production Test Engineering Lab. This lab is equipped to handle projects ranging from small black boxes, such as this machine positioning system jog box, up to large units, such as this VCD head and clinch tester. An assortment of mechanical and electrical tools, test equipment, and computer systems are available to assist the team with the building and testing of each project. Production testers, like Universal's machines, are driven by software. Tester software may be written in assembly language or in a high-level language such as C. Many of these programs match the complexity of Universal's machine executive programs. Documentation is an important part of any test project. Each project has a complete package consisting of blueprints and assembly drawings, electrical schematics, software listings, bill of materials, test procedures, and preventive maintenance information. Proper training of test personnel ensures that tests will perform to their original design. Well-written manuals and drawings assist in the training process. Production test engineering personnel teach safety precautions, operating procedures, product debug techniques, and data collection methods. Making tests easy to use reduces the chance of improper testing. Following up on test performance, analyzing test results, and receiving feedback from users are necessary steps for making improvements in the manufacturing process. Without testing, mature products may have problems that are difficult to detect. Test equipment designed by Production Test Engineering easily identifies these problems so they may be corrected. Preventive maintenance is critical to ensure that testers remain reliable and continue to meet their original design specifications. A full-time service technician is available for this function and to handle any repair work a tester may require. Several testers are located at UIC's vendors' sites. Local testers are serviced by Production Test Engineering, and out-of-state testers are serviced by Universal's Field Service Organization. Production control is used to order and track material needed to build test fixtures. Test Engineering has a dedicated production controller to handle this important task and is now online with the manufacturing production system. To demonstrate how production test engineering fits into the organization, let's follow a typical subassembly from build through final assembly. Here, a machine I/O box is being produced by Universal's electrical subassembly and cable manufacturing groups, following specified assembly procedures using process sheets. The operation starts by building and testing the cables used in the assembly. Cables are tested on this cable tester, which was designed and built by Test Engineering. This unit can test any cable used in our products, from small harnesses to main machine cables which may contain more than 800 individual wires. Tested cables and other pre-tested components, such as PC boards, are routed to the electrical subassembly department, where complex devices such as this are constructed. Finished subassemblies are transported to final test and packaging over an automated conveyor system. This system, designed and built by Test Engineering, efficiently routes assemblies to their proper destinations. This area, Final Electrical Test, verifies the functionality of the I/O box using a dedicated tester which simulates the machine the I/O box is used in. The tester provides performance data on the I/O box as well as information for the manufacturing process. This information can be quickly fed back to the assembly process, impacting the overall quality, the total quality, of the final product. Currently, there are more than 150 production testers in use at Universal and its vendors. Tested assemblies include 20 station sequencer modules, machine controllers, expanded range verifiers, power chassis, VCD clinches, pneumatic valve packs, component dispensing heads, serial tape readers, SMC component feeders, single board transfer controllers, AC power panels, printed circuit cards, I/O boxes, component insertion heads, cables and harnesses, push-button panels, and junction boxes. These are just some of the tested assemblies that work together to ensure that the final machine meets or exceeds customer expectations. What does the future hold for production test engineering? Currently, test engineering is shifting its focus to design testers in parallel with product design. This eliminates production problems on new products before they reach manufacturing. Test engineering is also increasing its scope to include printed circuit assemblies. Testing assemblies is one step in achieving total quality. Continuous improvement of the process and people are the keys to satisfying customers.